Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make app on Figma, only way. Open Figma and create a new frame sized for your target device and orientation. Establish a grid system and consistent spacing to keep layouts balanced. Create reusable components like headers and buttons to speed iteration. Use pages to separate flows and name layers clearly so teammates can follow along easily. Start by designing key components such as buttons, inputs, and cards, and convert them into reusable components right away. Create variants for different states like hover, active, and disabled, so you can swap states quickly. Define global styles for color, typography, and shadows to maintain a cohesive look across screens. Keep naming clear and use auto layout to make resizing predictable and fast for future edits. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear tutorials. Quick recommendation. The Oala water bottle is great for long design sessions because it keeps drinks cold, fits cup holders, and has a reliable lid that won't leak on your keyboard. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want one now, consider grabbing it for your desk. Now let's get back to the video. Connect your frames with prototype links to simulate taps, swipes, and navigation paths that users will take. Use Smart Animate for smooth transitions and overlays for modals, menus, or tooltips to make interactions feel real. Test your prototype on a phone or with users often to find friction points and adjust timing or layout. Iterate quickly based on feedback and keep components flexible for future changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.